Welcome back. Today's video we're going to be cooking and glazing the Christmas ham using my two favourite cooking items. That will be the Thermomix and the Ziegler Brown 3-burner gas barbecue. So we'll have a quick look at that and then we'll come back to the preparation of the ham. So there's the Ziggy 3-burner gas barbie. Plenty large enough for a pork and hopefully for the ham. First time I've tried it, so a bit of trial and error. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'll be using this recipe for the glaze off this website, the Thermomix recipe community website. First time I've tried this one, but it looks pretty easy and straightforward. There's your list of the ingredients. Pretty much just get all the ingredients, throw it into the bowl, mix it and cook it, and away you go. So we've added all those ingredients, pop our lid on, measuring cup in. Now we've got 10 seconds on speed 2. You can feel the honey bogging that down a bit, but still powering on. Now we've got to cook it. So that's 5 minutes at 50 degrees. 5 minutes. 50 degrees. And speed 2 again. Alright, we'll leave that and come back to it in 5 minutes. Alright, while that glaze is getting prepared, we'll turn our oven on, get it ready. Turn the gas on there, turn him on to the front. Now because it's a gas barbie, it's pretty hard to get the temperature regulated to exactly around about 180, but what I found, if I turn the front, bring the camera around, if I turn these two to low and the middle one off completely, I will get pretty close to 180, 190. So we'll close our lid and get it heated up and come back for the ham. Alright, time to get our hands a bit dirty and get this ham ready. So we'll start by just cutting down the base here so it peels off easy. Get a nice sharp knife. There we go, it's pretty simple. Now we've got to get our fingers under the skin and just gently peel off. Sometimes you might need a knife, but for this case, it's coming off pretty simple. You want to try and leave as much fat there as you can, so I might just use a knife just to get just under there. Make a start. Yeah, that's the way. As you can see, it's still pretty thin there, so that's good. Trying to leave as much fat behind as possible. And it's only the second time I've done this, so if I do make a mistake, I will not do it exactly right. Let us know, I don't mind. It's all about learning. There we go. Down there. Probably heard my dog sneeze in the background. She's down there waiting for some ham. I don't think she's going to get too much. Maybe when it's the scraps when we're finished. Oh yeah, down to where that cut is now. So you can see my fingers coming through. And there we go. Probably a bit too much fat off that section there. I think we'll leave it with that for now. Okay, there we go. I think there's a bit for the doggy there. Probably not the best thing to do here, don't recommend it, but Andy, look, there's some ham, look. Ham, 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 look. She's not not very active, is she? Come on, ham. Do you want it? Yeah, ham. Come on. Yeah, ham. You can see she gets pretty well looked after. She's not starving, is she? Rightio, so we'll keep that skin for when we do finish cooking it. You put it back on top over it, keep it fresh in the fridge when you put it in your handbag. So now we'll do our scoring marks on it. So I'll see how I go here. Probably haven't done this for a while. So my aim is to make like a diamond pattern. You can go straight across, but and I might do the straight across one. See how it goes this time. So I just want to use the tip of the knife. You can sort of feel how far it's going in, so you just want to get that fat layer level. This is of course going to help all the glazed juices soak into the meat. Oh, that's it. You didn't tap properly. Just be a bit careful there. I might take that bit off, more for the dog. Right, yeah, pretty happy with that I think. Now it's time to put in the oven on a wire rack, and we'll glaze it up and cook away. So I've added some foil to the bottom of the pan just so it's a bit of an easier cleanup. Now we'll add some water. Alright, so you get the sizzle, so it's gotten pretty good temperature. That's a good idea to use to get the temperature right. Don't rely on the front one all that much. It's not real accurate. So now we'll go and grab our ham. Now we'll pour our glaze on while brushing it in to all the little cracks and crevices. Now don't use all of it because I'll have to save some for later on when we reapply it. A little bit more. All right, we'll close our lid, put our temperature in. We'll just come back in 5 minutes just to check the temperature and then go from there. Alright, it's been in there for about 5 minutes. The temperature's sitting on 190, 195.6. So that's pretty good. So it's not going to get up over 200. So that's probably spot on. Okay, we'll leave that for probably every 20 minutes. I'll come out and put a bit more glaze on it. Should take roughly an hour. Well, while I'm waiting, I may as well have a coffee from the Sunbeam Barista Max. I've done a review about this coffee machine, which I will link at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around and subscribe and like, and you'll see a review on the Sunbeam Barista Max. Right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Our temp's gone up to about 209. That's still not too bad. Have a bit of a look. Oh, look at that. See a bit of caramelisation there already. Oh, look at that. That's a bit of bloody plastic on there. Better get that off before it's too late. Oh, not good. So we're going to run some bit more glaze over it. Give you a bit of a closer look at how that's going to look. It's going to look pretty good, I think. There we go. See, the lines have opened up nicely. That tastes pretty good. So I'll get another 20 to 30 minutes and come and check again. Alright, time for one last going over the glaze before we take it out. So we might as well use the rest of it up. That's looking pretty good. Another 20 to 30 minutes and we should be done. Right, that looks pretty good. Probably put it in for about an extra 15 minutes. That's probably why it's a bit there, but that's only just on the edge there. It'll be nice and crackly and sweet anyway. So yeah, we'll carve that up and serve it tomorrow and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.